Ready to unlock a smarter way to manage your money? Let's get started with Revolut. First, you'll need to download the Revolut app. Head over to your device's app store. That's the App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android phones. Search for Revolut in the search bar. Then, when the app appears, tap on the install button and wait for it to download. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen with sign up and login options. Since you are new, tap sign up. If you already have an account, you can simply tap login. Revolut will then ask for your mobile phone number. Enter your phone number and follow the next steps to get a code sent to your phone. Next, the app will ask for your email address. This is how Revolut will communicate with you regarding account updates and any issues. Type in your email address that you regularly use. After that, you will be asked for your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. This is standard procedure for financial institutions to verify your identity. Be sure to double-check all of your information to avoid any errors that could slow down the process. Then, you will need to verify your identity. Take a clear photo of your proof of ID. Follow the instructions on the screen, which may include taking a picture of your driver's license, passport, or national ID card. Make sure the images are clear and readable. Now, the final step, adding funds to your Revolut account. You can link a bank account or add funds using a debit card or credit card. If you add your card, use your card's information such as the numbers on your card, the expiration date, and CVV code. Once you've added a payment, your Revolut account is ready to go. Congratulations! You are now able to use the basic functionalities of your Revolut account. Now you're ready to experience fee-free currency exchange, send money internationally, and track your spending all in one place. Welcome to the world of Revolut.